welcome back to my channel KSDTechno Space. Last time we saw how to write simple PLSQL statement by using variable and storing data into variable and then printing. We are going to learn what is the cursor in PLSQL. I hope you guys are known cursor. Cursor is like a pointer which actually points to result of the query. Okay, generally in PLSQL there are two types of cursor. One is implicit cursor, okay, and second one is explicit cursor. Select into, okay, or you say insert or update or delete. This you got it right. So at that time it will create automatically. It will create automatically. Implicit cursor. Second one is explicit cursor. Is an select statement declared explicitly in the declare section of the cursor block, or you can say package specification body in any function or procedure like that way. In this video we are seeing the explicit cursor. So now how to declare a cursor. Okay, cursor is declared like you have to name cursor, then give the cursor name. Cursor name means like c underscore name, okay, is, and then write one select query. Let me see what are the tables I have. Select star from user underscore tables. Okay, let's utilize this select star from std underscore products. I am having this product code, product name, vendor code, and HSN MRP by sale. This cursor, let's select product code and MRP. We'll select that one. Okay, from HDT underscore products. Okay, we can give like where. Now here we have vendor code, right? Vendor code equal to as of now I'm just hard coding the vendor code here, okay, because I don't want to extend more this video. So I have now this data. Okay, so let's see what is the output for this one. Okay, I have one MRP product code and that product code MRP. Okay, so now let's start. Now what we have to do, our cursor execution cycle is like first open it, fetch, and then close it. Okay, so let's start. First let's open this cursor, say c underscore kernel. Okay, so if I want to use open, fetch, and close cursor, then I have to define one row type like underscore PRDCur. Okay, so it is up. Say this is up percentage row type. Okay, So we have declared cursor, and with cursor we have declared one variable with the which of the cursor type. So what we will do now, we have opened the cursor, then let's loop it. Okay, fetch this c underscore cursor into, what is that, r underscore PRDCUR. Okay, then now I cannot continue it because it's an infinite loop. Okay, so I have to exit also. So exit, sorry, exit when that cursor percentage not found, and I'll on the caps lock, found. Okay, let's print one as a sample, dpms underscore output dot put line. Okay, let's say for one product what is the price. Okay, so now I have to say for product code. Okay, for this product code, so what will the product code here? Pipe. Okay, then put dot this one. Okay, and we can put like again MRP. Okay, so now what is the MRP product code for this one? MRP is this one, and then you can end loop. Okay, what we did, we declare cursor, one variable of the cursor type, and then we opened it, and now we have to close also. Oh, sorry, I forgot. I have to closed. Okay, so now let's see. So what is there now? Okay, so how many records here? Approximately some, what are all the records came. So for this product code, what is the price? For this product code, what is the price? So this is called the cursor. Okay, so what we learn, implicit cursor, explicit cursor. Implicit cursor, so it is totally taken care by Oracle, so that on that we don't have any control. Another is explicit cursor. Okay, in explicit cursor we have a control. So with the help of this explicit cursor, I have explained you how to write the cursor.